So here I am preparing some collard greens. That is the finished dish. And I serve this up with some Jamaican style fried breadfruit, some plantains. Remember, home cooked meals are healthy. Stay tuned. Welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Your girl is about to experiment on some collard greens with some smoked turkey necks. It is the first I am doing it, but I know I can and I will. And this was lit. So here I have my collard greens soaking in some salt water. I made sure to wash each leaf that I cut individually, and I will be doing this in my crock pot. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Please remember to like the video, share the video, and leave a comment. So, after soaking and washing the smoked turkey necks, I will be adding them in my crock pot to cook for approximately, I would say, 30 to maybe 45 minutes or until the meat is about ready to fall off the bone. And I use unsalted chicken broth to cook this or reduce sodium to cook this. I'll leave this to cook and I will be adding a little dash of herbs and spices on my collard greens. So I added a little Old Bay. There's no measurement. I just sprinkled a little Old Bay on it, a little oregano. And these are mostly herbs and spices. The only thing with salt is the garlic salt, and I did not use a lot. Just a little hint because I soaked my smoked turkey necks. I use a little basil, I use a little paprika, a little black pepper. I have my bell pepper, my onions, my scallion, my thyme. I used some spice, or as we know in Jamaica, pimento green. And I seasoned my collard greens. I added a little Italian herbs and spices and some cumin. Now, collard greens is a southern delicacy here in America. It is loved by people living in the South and is a big all-time American favorite during the holidays, especially Thanksgiving. It is served with cornbread. It is served with mac and cheese. You can choose to use whatever meat you choose to. I choose to use turkey neck, smoked turkey neck. Now, the same juice left after removing the turkey neck, I'll be adding in my seasonings, my garlic, all my seasonings, my natural seasonings. Then I'll be adding in my collard greens to cook. I'll leave this for at least a 15 to 20 minutes to cook, and then I will add the smoked turkey in after removing the meat from the bones. I will not consume the bones, so I will remove the meat from it. You can also choose to leave the bone on it. I definitely removed the bone. Once I added in my collard greens, I added an additional amount of chicken broth in this. Your girl is trying each and everything. I'm not only preparing Jamaican meals, I'm preparing international meals because most of the watchers of my channel are overseas. So I have to try to incorporate a little, and I did it this way because that's how Jamaicans would prepare their callaloo, their cabbage. Yes, I have vegetable videos on my channel. So 25 minutes into cooking the collard greens, I added the meat from the smoked turkey, and I will leave this again for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the water is dried out. Here it is, almost finished. It still has a little way down to go, and this takes a longer while to cook when compared to spinach or to Jamaican style kalaloo. It's a great vegetable to have on your table, and also if you're looking to cut meat out, it's also an option. Here it is. I added a little hot pepper, as we Jamaicans normally do. Add a little hot pepper. It's nothing too spicy, and this was just my way. Once this was finished, I served this up with some ripe plantains, some stew kidney that I cooked, and some Jamaican breadfruit. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. See you soon in my next video. This is a bonus video I did today. Tried editing today. Tried to post today. It's a little bit late. Stay tuned. See you soon in my next video.